Welcome! In today's video, you'll learn how to use the brand new feature on WhatsApp for PC that lets you star your shared media. This handy update makes it super easy to organize your important photos and videos so you can find them later with just one click. If you've ever struggled to dig through countless files in your conversations, this feature is going to save you a lot of time. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version so you have access to the new media controls. Once the app is open, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several icons here, but the one you're looking for is the media icon. It looks like a small square with a mountain or photo inside it. Click on that icon to open your media panel. Next, choose media from the options. This section displays all the photos, videos, and documents that have been shared in your chats. Take a moment to browse through and find the media you want to keep handy. Once you've spotted your files, go to the top of the window and click on the select icon. This enables selection mode, allowing you to pick multiple items at once. Click on each file you'd like to star. You can choose as many as you'd like, everything from important screenshots to memorable moments. After selecting your media, look for the star icon at the top of the screen. Give it a click, and just like that, your chosen files are now marked as favorites. They'll be saved in a special starred section, making them easy to locate whenever you need them. That's it. You've just learned how to star shared media on WhatsApp for PC using the latest update. It's a small feature that can make a big difference in keeping your digital life neat and organized. Don't forget to check out other new features in this update and see how they can enhance your chat experience.